Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can connect your YouTube channel with Faceit. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Faceit, and then just go to right top corner to the three dots and click here on your account. When you're gonna be here, you just want to click on integrations, and right here you're gonna see YouTube. And what you want to do is simply edit and add here your YouTube channels, right? And just like you need to edit like from your user. Let me show you. And voila, save. And now we got it. So this is how you can like link your and connect it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.